We're looking at here freshly baked thin crust pizza. This is the Hawaiian flavor with bell peppers, and they also have a choice of a vegetarian option, all vegetable pizza, and for the meat lovers, they have the all meat pizza. You can avail all this at the $1.99 all you can eat pasta and pizza at Blue Cat Cafe. Today is a choice of 3 freshly baked thin crust pizza rather, and they also offer you other dishes. With the $1.99 also includes plain rice, pork, vegetable, this is fried chicken, and this is the soup of the day. All of this includes with your $1.99 for lunch. Blue Cat only offers lunchtime for $1.99, and if you see on the corner, there's a lot of people enjoying their lunch for today. With your $1.99 also include pasta like I mentioned. Today's pasta is spaghetti with meat sauce and white sauce. The white sauce is like for the vegetarian option. It's only got mushrooms. And the beverage that goes with your $1.99 is ice cold mineral water. And this is how it works. You pay as you order, and you'll be given a dish at the counter. What's best, it also comes with a fresh salad bar. It's also eat all you can. You got a choice of 2 kinds of lettuce, croutons, tomatoes, shredded carrots, and cucumbers, and 3 choices of salad dressing. Again, it comes with your $1.99 lunch price. This is very economical because you'll be dining it here in an air-conditioned dining area. They also offer a full bar with loads of most drinks that you can imagine. That if you are not having the free water, mineral water that comes with it, then you can order other drinks, soft drinks, liquors, or even beer. Besides that, they can also offer you fresh fruit shakes. Today's offering is banana, mango, and orange. And the dessert for today, there's 2 cakes here, the chocolate and the ubi cake for dessert. But this does not come with your $1.99. The $1.99 is all those food at the table. So you can see the dining area. This is the inside dining area. They also have a dining area outside. They have a cafe bar outside also where they bake the pizza. But most people opt to dine inside because it's very hot. But there's no stopping you if you're smoking. You can dine, get the food from here, and dine outside. So this is another option for you, for those who wants to visit Cebu or you're in Cebu, is to try to have lunch for $1.99 at Blue Cat. This is the outside view of Blue Cat. You can see that the building is blue, and this is their outside area, and you can see the dining outside area that I mentioned. As you go through, you can see the lunch buffet sign. Lunch buffet every day at $1.99 plus VAT, opens from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. This is the dining area where you can smoke outside from the food, and they have their times of opening, and they also have signage of what they offer in their sports bar like billiards and karaoke. And the times of opening, if you're into the night thing, they got Japanese style karaoke rooms and billiards, and the times of opening, you can have all your drinks here and you can smoke. Some people opt to dine outside than inside, and I will show you where the area is located. As you can see up there, that's the Benedicto building, and this is the road called Sacris Extension. If you're from AS Fortuna Main Road going to J Center, you just turn left or right if you're coming from J Center. On the AS Fortuna, this is the Sacres extension. You can look at the Blue Cat signage on the roadside. It's right near the road, so you cannot fail to see the signage. And then you can see this long parking area, which you can see other premises that's housed here in Blue Cat building. You can tell that this is owned by a Japanese because the ambience feels like the buildings in Japan. There's ample of parking space. So when you come here, you cannot fail to miss the Blue Cat building where Blue Cat Cafe is located. From the road, you can see the big turning space that you can see the blue building, and that is the Blue Cat.